they did a fantastic. I was really surprised to see all the safety precautions they took, and they were always had good manners. Didn't have any complaints.
I was really worried about my tile because I have clay tile, but they were able to get up there and remove it. Any that they broke, they repaired or replaced. They were very careful, and it's unobtrusive, and I'm very happy with how it looked. On the side, you can take a look at all the neat things there, but they painted everything to kind of go along, and so it didn't take away from. Yeah, you can't even tell. I can show you the bill. Anyone wants to see it? I'm very pleased when I see the bill. I'm going. That's above and beyond. It's like, okay, go ahead and pay your $200, $300 and say no. But when it doesn't cost you a thing, it's like, wow, okay.